To get started with Splashtop for the business access service, the first thing to do is to install the Splashtop Streamer on the computer you want to remote into and control. So let's do that. So you go to a browser and then you want to go to the my.splashtop.com webpage and log in with your Splashtop account. Okay, you'll see an add computer button here at the computer tab. That'll start a download for you. Okay, when it's done downloading, just go ahead and click on it to execute. And continue. Okay, at the completion of the install, you saw it pops up the program. You log in with the account. And you're all set. And if you actually go to the website, back to your account, and refresh, you see it got added.